Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes CLK. This is a W208 convertible one. So I was having, I had an engine light on, and basically what I wanted to show you in this video, it's sort of the diagnostics equipment that you need to really test this car. So I've tried using my other computer, the launch. I normally use quite a modern launch machine for all the cars that I work on, but this particular car, this model, doesn't accept any software, any OBD computers. It's got to be a specific one. So doing a lot of research, I found that this particular one, Carsoft, which I actually had to buy the laptop that came already installed with the software. I think I'm just gonna quit here. This is a really old laptop, but it's still giving me diagnostics. So I had an engine light on, and I couldn't erase it with all my other machines. So I had to connect this one, and it detected a misfire on cylinder number 1, which is not there at the moment, but I may need to change some spark plugs or something. However, I needed to delete the engine light because I'm going to do an MOT on this car, and obviously if there is an engine light, it could be an emissions related issue, and that's why you need to check it. And it would fail the MOT if it's got the engine light on. So I was able to delete it, luckily, but you can see here how many errors there are in the car and all these systems here. And well, I'm gonna have to check one by one all of these systems. This car was very sort of modern for the era it was built, but it was built with a lot of modules. It's got modules for everything basically, but we can't access them with any computer. So let me restart this here. So as you can see, this is using like Windows XP, something like that. But you would have to, so this is the one, Carsoft diagnosis, and it's Mercedes version 7.4S for Windows, and basically that connects to this interface here. This is what it looks like, if anybody is curious enough or is looking for a way to check their car, because and that connects to the 38 pin connector, I think it is, because this car, this particular model, does have the OBD2 port inside, but it doesn't do anything. I mean, it does, but it just, if you're really doing diagnostics, you really need something a bit more like this. Now I don't know if there's any other systems that are slightly better even than this one, because, well, this one is okay. It's actually testing all the systems, but it's just very old, obviously, and you need an old laptop and you need a Windows XP, and well, I actually bought all this kit out of eBay from someone else who used to have Mercedes W208. The only thing that is a shame is that it doesn't actually detect anything to do with the soft top, which originally I bought this to diagnose my soft top, but it doesn't do soft top. So in the end I fixed my soft top by I actually had to change the module. I have videos, lots of videos on my W208 on YouTube already. if you want to check those, if you are trying to diagnose your soft top as well. But so unfortunately I couldn't really find, this wouldn't give me errors on anything to do with the soft top, so any of the micro sensors, micro chips, or the actual module itself. And that is funny because that module, it's connected to quite a lot of the electrical system of the car, including the boot, because you can't open the boot if the module is faulty. But anyway, I don't want to prolong this video. It's just a quick one to show you the equipment I'm using for diagnosis. So once you enter, for example, this, then you click on start, and then it will start the system, and then you have the different options up here where you can, so digital test, it complete diagnosis. If you choose that, it will diagnose, or it will go through all the systems basically. But I'm not gonna do that now because I'm just about to finish here for today, because I've actually booked a car for an MOT, and that's what I'm going to be doing just now. So the car is fine, everything is working fine. It's just I had the engine light, but that diagnostic thing is showing me that there is a few things that need fixing. But having said that, because the car has been parked, the battery was dead, and all these things can sometimes have an influence. So now that I'm going to start driving, using the car a little bit, hopefully after a couple of weeks of driving, we can then test the car again and see what's going on. But regarding the spark plugs, I think that is a job I'm going to do next. I haven't done the spark plugs on this car ever, and I don't know if the previous owner would have done them, but I doubt it, because I got the car with like 50,000 miles, and these days those platinum plugs go up to like 80,000 or 100,000, but they can fail prematurely, of course. But I'll be looking at that, because I'm not actually 100% sure this one's got platinum plugs. So yeah, anyway, having said that, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So thank you for watching.